Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to cancel Paramount subscription on Roku. So as you can see, there are two methods. So you can do that from your browser using your Roku account or from your Roku device. So if you're using a web browser and then you log into your Roku account, you're gonna have to simply sign in into your account and click on manage your subscriptions. Then you're gonna have to select the subscription channel to cancel and click on unsubscribe. Now, if you're using your Roku device, you're gonna have to go to your home screen, highlight the Paramount Plus channel. As you can see, it says that do not click on it, and then press the button, this button here on the Roku remote. Then select manage subscription, choose cancel, and then simply confirm, and that's it. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.